Hi, my name is Chef Suzy Singh, and I know all of us have very busy schedules, and it's difficult to make healthy food on the go. But what I'm going to share with you today is how to plan ahead and pack healthy, portable salads for lunch, all in a fun mason jar. So let's get started on my Asian sesame mason jar salad with a homemade sesame dressing. In a mason jar, we're going to layer our cooked Living Now organic millet, which is not only gluten-free but naturally sweet. For alternative grains, you can also try our organic sprouted brown rice, freekeh, farro, or even our tri-colored quinoa. We're also going to add in some baby kale, shredded carrots, water chestnuts, our tamari almonds, and sprinkle in some of our sesame seeds, which is a natural source of protein, iron, and fatty acids. Now we're prepping the homemade sesame dressing using a mason jar. I'm adding in our Allendale organic extra virgin sesame oil. Let's also add in our lemon juice, mustard, a little bit of salt, pepper, as well as cinnamon. The mustard is very important as it's the key ingredient that will combine the oil and the lemon juice together to make that perfect dressing. To keep the ingredients fresh and crisp, I recommend not combining the salad with the dressing until you're ready to eat. When it's time for lunch, we're going to shake our dressing to mix it up. Let's pour in 1 tablespoon of the finished dressing into our mason jar. We're going to mix this well for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to place it on the plate and serve.